Hello everyone, so here is a tutorial on how to add the Icypeas node on Make. So first of all, you need to create a new scenario over here. For the first time, we will do an email search, and then we'll do a domain search, and finally an email verification. So you just click over here and select Icypeas. So here, Icypeas. Select this one, single email search, and then you can enter the first name, last name, and a domain or company name. But you need to have an account. So here you just click on add, and here you will see that you need an API key and a user ID. So to retrieve the API key and the user ID, you just click over here. And it will redirect you on your Icypeas account. And here you just click on API. And here you have your API key. So you just copy and paste it over here. And the same thing for the user ID over here. Just copy it and paste it. And then you can give a collection a name, for example, test. Okay, so now let's give, for example, Sergey Brin with Google. Okay, so here you can click on the clock here to make it easier. We will choose on demand over here, so that when we click over here, it will run the entire workflow. So here you can just add another module, but we need a sleep module. Because the email search need time to be done. So here we can just add sleep module with a 10-second delay, for example. Okay. So now to retrieve the results, you need another module over here, Icypeas, and you can select get single result. So here you have your credentials, and here it requires a single search ID. So just click over here and select the corresponding ID of the single email search. So over here, ID. Okay, and now you can run your workflow. So once the workflow is executed, you can retrieve the result by clicking on the magnifying glass over here. So on the output section, you can see here items, results, emails. And over here, you will see the email with an indicator of certainty over here. You can also use this result, for example, by creating a Google Sheet. Let's create it, Google Sheet. Over here, add a row. Okay, let's select a file. Okay, so here, for example, I have a Google Sheet with emails. And if I want to put the email I just found over here, so I just click on over here. And here on Get Single Result, you will see on Items, Results, Emails, the email over here. And you can just click and it will automate everything. Okay, so now let's see how to do an email search. So here you can delete this node and put a single domain search instead. So here it's barely the same thing. It's quite the same. So here it's quite the same thing. You just need to put here a domain name or company name. So for example, let's put Icypeas. Okay, and over here you will see that the ID has changed. So you need to put the corresponding ID over here. So the one corresponding to single domain search. So we just select it and we can who can run our workflow. Okay, so here it's the same thing to retrieve the results. You just click on the magnifying glass over here, and you will see corresponding emails over here. For example, over here, contact@icypeas.com or info@icypeas.com, etc., with an indicator of certainty. So now let's see how email verifications work. So here you just delete the first node, select Icypeas and single email verification. And you can here for example, let's put sergeydebrain@google.com, the email we just found with the email search over here. So okay, and here let's change the ID and let's run the workflow. Okay, so here to see if your email was correct or not, you can just click over here. You will see over here on the results and emails, the corresponding email and the indicator of certainty over here. So if you have the email over here, it means that your email was correct. For example, let's put anything over here to make the email incorrect. And let's see what happens. Okay, so here let's click on the same things, results, emails, and here we see that it's completely empty because your email was incorrect. So the Icypeas node also have a webhook to watch your results. So here you can just delete everything and select over here watch single result, so which is a webhook. So here you need to here add a connection. So here I have already my connection, but you can connect with your account, and then you will have to click on save, and you will have over here a new URL which you need to copy over here. And then go to your Icypeas account here on the API section. So by clicking over here. And here you will see notification when each row is treated during a bulk search. So here you can just copy your webhook and paste it. And you click on save notification routes. So here you click OK. And now, for example, let's make an email search on Icypeas. Over here, Sergey Brin, Google. Let's click find the email. And let's go back to make. And you need to run your workflow over here before doing the email search over here. So here I had enough time to do it, but you need to run the workflow just before. So here let's make it again to see. So here run, here I find the email, and you see that it's searching for data, and here it found something over here. So you can just click on the magnifying glass and see what he coached. And here you can see that we have the corresponding email that you just typed over here. So it's quite an easy way to retrieve what you are doing on your Icypeas account and to automate it. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. Happy automating!